Hey everyone, this is Abhay Ranjan. Welcome back to one important video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Cloud in Chrome. So as you can see on my screen, there is a Cloud extension in my Chrome browser. So how to enable this and what are the setting you need to do. So for this, you just need to go to the setting part. Here you need to click on the Cloud in Chrome. It is in beta phase. Here you are going to get the option to download this extension. So as I have already been downloaded this, so it is coming in my setting part. If you have not done it, you have option to click on cloud download option, and there you just need to follow one or two instruction, and then your cloud will start appearing like that. And the feature through which you are going to get is your this cloud is going to work on your complete web browser. So if you want to do any action, let's suppose you want to you know get some data extraction, get some audit part, get some research part, then this is going to help in various cases. Let's suppose I am on official website of this and I want to get a summary of that. What I will do, I will click on cloud, and then I will just type create a summary for me about this page. Then it will go a complete process and make a summary for you. Similarly, any tasks over the Gmail, over the any website, over any Shopify interface, you are going to get it done. You just need to provide the access, and rest everything will be managed by cloud Chrome tab. So this is a very good feature. You just need to install the cloud extension, and then cloud is going to work for you. So I used to make such video on more often. So please do subscribe this channel and like, share, and hit comment if you have any issue.